Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by shaping your data so the funnel can work. Focus on a stage column and a numeric value. Once done, remove blanks and convert text numbers to numeric types, because Power BI aggregates only numbers here. Make sure to enable the funnel visual if it is hidden, then drag stage to group and value to values. You are setting the mapping that controls segment order and size. Do this now so the visual responds predictably when you refine formatting and filters later. Now you control how the funnel flows. Add a rank or numeric sort column and set stage to use that custom sort so segments proceed logically. Once sorted, apply visual level filters for date ranges, regions, or product lines. This keeps the funnel focused. Make sure aggregation matches your metric. Use sum for revenue, count for leads, distinct count for unique customers. As you refine, toggle interactions with other visuals to see how cross-filtering affects segment sizes and story clarity. Finish by polishing appearance. Turn on data labels, customize colors, and edit tooltips so viewers instantly get numbers and percentages. Then configure visual interactions, allow drill-through or cross-highlighting for deeper insight when users click a segment. Once complete, validate by comparing totals to source tables. If things go wrong, first check data types, hidden filters, and any page-level slicers. These are common causes of unexpected segment sizes. Finally, save a versioned PBIX so you can revert after experimenting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.